In this overview, we'll show you the highlights of security, which ensures each user has the right level of access to application functions and enterprise data. Users are created in Oracle Cloud, and then users and groups are set up and provisioned roles and assigned permissions in Enterprise Data Management. Resources such as applications, views, and data within them must be secured. Users are assigned predefined roles which are centrally maintained in Oracle Cloud Identity Domain. Roles are defined within the application itself, and permissions are assigned at the application and view level, and may be overridden based upon allowed actions that describe viewpoint data security. Service administrators and users are set up in Oracle Cloud My Services based on the predefined roles of Service Administrator, who performs administrative tasks for the service, and User, who can perform functions and access resources. Service administrators can also perform user functions. Service administrators and users log into Enterprise Data Management Cloud. Once users are logged in, groups are set up in the Access Control work area. The resources that are being secured are applications, views, and data, which includes nodes and properties. Let's explore how you can secure resources in the product. Roles secure functions. The Application Creator role lets a user register applications, and the View Creator role lets a user create views. Permissions are assigned to users and groups within the service. Application permissions are assigned by the application owner to users and groups. The application owner also manages application metadata and data. The data manager updates, imports, and exports application data. View permissions are assigned by the view owner, who manages a view and assigns permissions to other users. The view browser permission gives a user read access to a view and its viewpoints. Viewpoint data security is set up in a viewpoint and secures data on a granular level. Actions allowed on nodes include add, insert, move, remove, reorder, and delete. You can also set editable properties. For example, Frank needs to create an alternate hierarchy to reorganize departments, which requires creating data chain objects. To do this, Frank needs the application owner permission. Maria has the data manager application permission, so she does not need view permissions to see the view and its viewpoints. Because Frank will be creating viewpoints for the new data chain objects, he needs the view owner permission for the view. Carol needs the view browser permission for both views so she can see the data. In this overview, we've shown you the highlights of security in Enterprise Data Management Cloud. To learn more, visit cloud.oracle.com.